exactly every circumstance, and you can mandate the approach that he's suggesting. What you need to do is recognise that people get themselves into a situation where women have got to make a choice. Doctors have got to provide the medical advice, and we should be respecting that. Politicians like Chris Pine pretending they know everything about everyone's circumstances.
Hey Bob, what the problem is?
While the Health Minister has put it back on the agenda, and the health spokespeople have put this back on the agenda during the election campaign, Mr Abbott says there wasn't a constituency or a group, a movement for change across the voting majority. So any movement on this looks unlikely, although I suppose with the government's majority in the Senate, anything is possible.
Kevin Gilbert, appreciate your time. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Lee.
Australia's new soccer competition has been launched in Sydney. 8 clubs will make up the Hyundai A-League, with teams from Adelaide, New Zealand, Queensland, Sydney, Melbourne, Newcastle, Perth and New South Wales Central Coast.
A is for excellence, that we are going to achieve high standards of football.
Hey Bob.
About transforming this game in a way.
It's dispute.
Oh,
a little bit.
Will kick off in July next year. Soccer Association Chairman Frank Lowy has promised closer ties with Asia and importantly, soccer's world governing body, FIFA.
Spit it out. Come on.
Spit
it out.
Available to Foxtel digital customers. Voting is simple and instant. Today's question is, how will the new National Soccer League fare? A big success, an improvement, no change,
Your head trying to headbutt it.
disaster. To vote,
He's trying to
Foxtel
headbutt.
digital customers can press red to access Sky News Active and select
Look,
your
your smile's
choice.
gone.
See, she
We update
talks.
results here on Sky News every hour. This hour, an overwhelming 70% of people believe it'll be a big success. 11% believe it'll be an improvement. 6% say no change. 13% say disaster. If you're not a Foxtel digital customer, you can still vote via our website, skynews.com.au. Interactive voting, a special feature on Sky News Active. In Melbourne, thousands of people have lined the streets of the city centre for the annual Melbourne Cup Parade. A host of previous winners was trotted out, including Saintly, Brew, What a Nuisance and Aaliyah. And as usual, the jockeys were on hand with their thoughts on the big race.
You obviously need a lot of luck to win a Melbourne Cup.